Good morning everyone, Speaker William here, bringing you online market outlook for Friday, 1st of March 2019. Okay, we'll be seeing what is happening in the current market for either Forex or Index, oil and gold and the others. Okay, start with Euro USD today. As you can see, today, yesterday Euro USD have formed a doji. KSI is currently flickering red, but is still trading above the cage for the day chart. Okay, but day is neutral. You can either choose to skip for now and wait for a signal later. In the M30 chart itself, as you can see here, okay, not much movement, it's still trading inside the cage, so you might see some sideways movement for a while until it breaks either above or below the cage. But since day neutral, stay out for now. Pound itself, okay, the day sentiment is bear, but there's no CC yet, and KSI is still green. So if you are going to short this pound, if you have any profit, do book profit first, partial especially, and leave a bit to run. Okay, in the M30 itself, still outside GTH, right? There's a signal to CCYR short here, but then there's a new cage here. If this current bar can close below, then we might see more downside since the KSI is also red. Okay, but still outside GTH. Okay, for Aussie itself, as you can see from the day chart, yesterday a CCYR, and then yesterday the market went up first, and then when it plunged back down, it plunged back down to, from here to here is around 40 pips. Okay, but KSI is still green, so we might this downside might be limited unless the KSI turn red. But there is neutral, so for the moment you can choose to skip this pair. Okay. In the M30 itself, as you can see, there's a potential CCYR, but inside the cage, KSI green, so day neutral, so you can choose to skip. For dollar yen itself, as you can see, yesterday a CCRY, in the morning it went low first, it went down by here, it went down by 32 pips before it rebounded back up above OP. When it goes above OP, as you can see, the upside came in, as the KSI is still green. The day sentiment currently is a bull, and then we can see from the M30 chart itself, there is a signal to long, CCRY, but there's a new cage here. So unless the current bar can break above and close above or below, then we might see a sideways movement for a while. Okay, and then for the Swiss franc itself, as you can see the day chart, there's a CCYR. So today is a short, but the CCYR also is inside the cage. Unless today's bar can close below, then we may see more downside. Okay, and especially if today stay below OP, right, and the KSI is red in the M30 with the animal bear, we might see it trading towards the next pivot. But for now, for the moment, stay on the sideline and keep watch for this pair. Canadian itself, no CC yet, but KSI have turned green, and there's new cage here. Day sentiment is a bear, concentrate on the CCYR, but still outside GTH. You can either wait or go on a slow sizing for this CCYR. Okay, it's back inside the cage for the M30, so wait for a while. Okay, Dow Jones, yes, Dow Jones, we can see here there's a CCYR on the day chart, and it closed below the cage for the day chart. But as you can see, the KSI is still green, so we might see some upside to test the cage and the pivot one for today. But if the price cannot stay above OP and pull back down below OP, then we might see a good downside. Okay, as you can see, there's a triplet bar here and here. Okay, but day is neutral, so stay out for now since it's also outside the GTH hour. Okay, KSI is red. Now it's trading inside the cage. So if there's a CCYR here, those looking to short goes low, is still outside the GTH. but you can choose to short if you want to. Okay, Hong Kong itself, there is no CC yet. So today, when it open and stay above the cage, when it open above the cage and stay above OP, I mean, okay, so traders can choose to look for CCRY for entry, unless when it gap down to open inside the cage. Okay, since there's no CC yet, still concentrate on CCRY, but maybe can go for a FIFO trade. Okay, next for the oil itself. Okay, oil itself, there's no CC yet on the day chart, so we might see more upside. Okay, it's not open currently now, but then still inside the cage. So more upside might be given if today's chart, if today's bar can close above the cage itself. Okay, and then for gold, as you can see, gold yesterday had a CCYR with a KSI CC. It went up first, and then after that it plunged back down. Okay, it went up trying to go over the previous day high for this, but then it unable to. It came back down, break below OP, and selling pressure came in. It's now currently inside the cage. Okay, so currently this day is neutral, so traders can wait unless later change to bear, and traders can concentrate on CCYR. Okay, Nikkei itself, as you can see, Asian markets seems to be having a positive vibe, but then after opening it went up and then now coming back down. Okay, KSI is still green, by the way, so day chart is full, so still concentrate on CCRY unless it breaks below OP. And the M30 chart itself, as you can see, okay, it went up and then pulled back down, still hovering above OP. KSI is green, so if there's a red and yellow, traders can choose to long. Nasdaq itself, as you can see, the day chart have a CCYR, but still inside the cage, but KSI also have changed. So should today concentrate on CCYR, but then the day is neutral, so traders can choose to skip this index also, unless the animal change to bear and there's a CCYR. There will be a short signal for Nasdaq. Okay, S&P itself, no CC on the day chart yet, but then the KSI is flickering to red with the day bar itself, but then we need to wait for this day bar to close to confirm it. Okay, since day is neutral, traders can choose to stay on the sideline for now. KSI is flickering to green and it's above OP. Okay, if KSI confirmed to close green, we might see this S&P testing back 2789.3 pivot level. And if unable to close above, and there's a CCYR here, traders can look for this index. Okay, for DAX and FTSE have yet to open. DAX itself, there's no CC yet. For the day chart, FTSE itself, it has been pulling back since the CCYR on the day chart. KSI also have turned to red. Okay, let's see later in the afternoon when it opens. Okay, that's all for now. Speaker William here, signing off. Have a good weekend and a trading day ahead. Bye bye.